Oh no, my bag. It flew away in the wind. Oh well, it's only one item.
Actually, that's false. That bag is contributing to the garbage patch in the ocean
But why does the garbage end up all in one spot?
because of science.
Okay.
So because of how the Earth rotates, we get this cool thing called the Coriolis effect, which affects ocean currents. And when plastic gets placed in those ocean, it gets stuck in those currents.
But why is the garbage floating then?
Because of different densities of plastic and water, and the plastic floats on top like a boat because plastic is less dense than water.
Okay, but I am looking at the map and the Coriolis effect doesn't seem to correlate with ocean currents.
But that's because the ocean cannot flow just like the Coriolis effect because of different factors such as ocean densities depending on depth, the underwater physical barriers, and land barriers.
Okay, it's making more sense, but how does this directly affect the garbage being pulled all together?
Oh yeah, basically the ocean currents develop these gyres that you can see here. Basically, the ocean current develops these gyres that you can see here. A gyre is basically a vortex that sucks everything into an endless circle, and when you get less dense plastic stuck in these gyres forever, causing a large patch of nasty garbage.
Okay, well, the thing looks terrifying. It's so big it could have a name.
Well, you're in luck because it does have a name. It's called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, and there are 5 of these things.
Well, what can I do to not add to this mess?
First, you need to reduce, reuse, and recycle, of course. Lastly, you could get involved in different organizations, and you can help clean up the oceans and always pick up trash and put it in the correct bin whenever you see litter.
Last question. You seem to know a lot about this garbage. Can you share some more scary facts about it?
Of course, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is specifically 80,000 tons. It also is twice the size of Texas. And finally, 46% of the whole thing is fishing nets, so I would use a rod if I were you.
Well, thank you so much. There is no planet B. You break, you buy, you pollute, you die. Pollution sounds a bit fishy to me. You say it's cool, but it's really hot. Yeah.
Okay.
Should we explain our visuals? Okay, like demonstration wise,
What do you mean?
like how we would present Coriolis effect.